Welcome back to the RV Rundown. I'm your host Barry, and this is the segment where we take a quick look at some of the hottest floor plans on the market today. I'm standing inside a 2021 Keystone Alpine 3712KB. This thing is awesome. It's a front living fifth wheel built with full-time use in mind. We have all kinds of space in here thanks to these opposing slides in this living room. This is really built to entertain. You can easily sit 6 guests down in here, watch the game, have a good time, check out a cool movie. This has a flat screen TV that's on a televator, so that thing can disappear down below the fireplace, and behind it we have a Jensen head unit up top with a DVD player built in as well as Bluetooth capabilities. And these 2 couches can pull out to create beds in case you need some guests to stay overnight. Across from the TV, we have our theater seating. These are recliners. They've got a couple cup holders as well as USB charging stations. Pushing down and into the bottom floor of this unit, we come across where we would enter, and that is right next to our little head unit right here. Let me hit the power button so you can see what's going on. You flip that on and that's going to give you control of all the lights, slides, and everything you need, including HVAC and the like. There's a kitchen fan right here over the main island, as well as a fantastic fan up above for exhausting any unnecessary smells. This island is equipped with solid surface countertops, big sink covers that reveal a giant stainless steel dual basin sink. That's pretty cool. There's loads and loads of storage in this unit, including a big old residential Samsung refrigerator. Put a cool little wine rack up top, and then of course we have the larger than average and higher powered oven and 3-burner cooktop, a convection microwave there, and in my opinion one of the real stars of this unit is the pantry. This thing opens up to reveal a great little appliance garage with plugs. In other words, a great spot to hook up your toaster, your coffee maker, your Keurig, whatever it is you need to get up and going in the morning. All kinds of cabinetry and upright space to store vacuum cleaners, trash cans, whatever you can think of in there. We have a freestanding dinette with 4 chairs. This does have a leaf extension on it that comes up and out. Some beautiful lighting up and above, as well as all of these wonderful windows that have both day and night shades that are roller shades, so that's actually a really cool luxury feature. As we head up towards the bedroom, we pass a nice big coat closet with some storage up above. Notice we have a grab handle there for climbing up those stairs. And our doors here are barn door style, so they slide. They don't swing. That makes it easy to get in and out. We have this big old king bed here with a nice padded headboard. One thing that Alpine does that I really like is they put in these adjustable lights here over the bed so that if one partner wishes to sit up and read a book, they won't be bothering the other. Across from the bed, we have a bit of an entertainment system in the sense that we have our flat screen TV above this beautiful window with kind of a nice little spot to set down your keys and things at the end of the day. On either side, we have hanging closets. Notice they put the rod the opposite direction in there, up and below. And then yet another star of this RV is behind me here, this big, big bathroom. This might be the largest shower I've seen in an RV. This is huge. I mean, it spans diagonally almost my arm width. It's got lots and lots of elbow space in each direction, and it's got a seat in the back here. Adjustable head, all sorts of space to store soap and other things of that nature. And they even put a skylight up above. I'll remind you guys, I'm 6'3", but I don't even need that skylight in here. They've got the foot flush toilet there, and then a big old area over here for getting ready in the morning. It has solid surface countertops, 2 sink basins, so his and hers, and loads of storage around it, as well as a spot for a washer dryer. This thing is about as residential as it comes. I like it a lot, and you should see it for yourself here in person at Southern RV in McDonough, Georgia. We're right off I-75, so come on down or visit us online at southernrv.com. Until next time, happy camping.